Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add shortcuts of file and folder in Google Drive. So a shortcut, it allows you to go to another file or folder without completely entering that file or folder. That means it is like a shortcut to your file or folder. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am in my Google Drive. So let's say I'm going to enter this folder. So let's say I'm going to create a shortcut of this slide, Google slide. So I will have to right click on it, left click on add shortcut to drive. Now I need to select the location where I want to create the shortcut. Now I'm going to select my drive and click on add shortcut. Now it is saying adding shortcut and shortcut added to my drive. So now if I go to my drive, now as you can see there is the text for you slide and there is a arrow, that means it is shortcut. So if I open it, so it is loading. So this is the Google Slides document that was shortcutted. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to create shortcuts of file and folder in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.